going on, guys? In this video we are going to see how to use wait on and wait until in VHDL. So first, entity test bench is, because that's the name I created the file name. File name is testbench.vhd, so we have to put the same name right here. Entity test bench is, and architecture sim of test benches, we have to keep the same name as the file name. Okay, and after that, now here I'm going to show you an example of wait on and wait until. Now let's look at the wait on first. Here I'm going to use signal counter. Okay, let's put small i's. Signal count up and colon integer 0 semicolon, and after that signal small s signal count down colon, and after that integer is equal to 10. Okay, now the next thing is begin processes and begin again, and inside of this one I'm going to put the logical things, that is count count up is less than or equal to count up plus 1, count up plus 1, and count down is less than or equal to count down minus 1, count down minus 1, and after that wait for 10 nanosecond, wait for 10 nanosecond, and end process. And then processes begin wait on count up comma count down, wait on count up comma count down, and then here to print count up and count down we use report count up equal ampersand and then integer image count up and then ampersand count down is equal to ampersand integer image count down. Okay, then end process. Okay, end process, let's leave it here and let's run this one first. Let's see the output of this one. Okay, now you can see, let's start from the beginning. So whatever the execution is, what we what's the output is. So here you can see count up 1, count down 9, and count up 2, count down 8. So it's going to the count up is increasing, count down is decreasing. That's what we expected. Okay, this is only for count up and count down. The next things we are going to see how to use wait until. Okay, to use the wait until, I'm going to copy and paste it right here. Copy this one, end process progress is begin. Copy this one, paste it down right here, and here we are going to use wait until. Wait until count up is equal to count down. And when count up and count down are equal, we want to print something. Let's say we want to print jackpot. Report jackpot, and that's it. Now let's go ahead and run this one. There's something wrong. Let's see what the error is. Okay, let's see. End process is begin, wait until. Okay, this one should be count up. Okay, let's run this one. Okay, here you can see when count up and count down are 5, these two are equal. At the time we printed jackpot, otherwise it's just decreasing and increasing. But when these two are equal, it's going to print out jackpot, and that's what we want. Okay, and that's it. That's all about wait on, wait until, and wait on. Actually, previously I was saying count up, count down. It's actually we are seeing about wait on and wait until. Previously we saw wait on, and the next one is wait until. Okay, and that's how we do that. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. And if you are trying to learn VHDL, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. VHDL programming, there are a bunch of video in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.